Having been flung from a vehicle going 55 miles an hour, let's find out if it even works. Encouragingly, the screen highlights when plugged into a power source.
Volume up, volume down, hold the power button until the Apple logo appears and then release.
Does it look like something's on?
Now before operating on the device, it's wise to power it down.
It's shaking.
Unfortunately, not all information found on the internet is accurate.
No, we might just have to. Let's call him.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to fix a phone. Yep, bye.
Well, obviously don't do that.
Works.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so what happened is if you hold the volume up, volume down, and power, it dials 911. So don't do that. You know, just that dialed, and she heard me, and I heard her.
Everything's all good.
Battery works. Mic works.
Speaker works.
Speaker works.
Let's start by removing the two lower chassis screws. Except for the heat gun, many of the tools used in this video either come with the screen as a kit or can be purchased off eBay for around 10 bucks. Before prying the screen, apply some heat to loosen the thermal adhesive strip. Take your time by alternating prying with heat, especially around the corners.
Ooh. Beautiful.
Having made your way completely around, it will open like a book jacket.
There she goes.
Lucky for us, the inside looks pristine, so most of the damage was taken by both the screen and the case. This particular screen did not come with the metal backing or shielding, which, while not difficult, will certainly add a couple extra steps. Two tri-wing screws need to be removed from the lateral shielding before using a plastic spooger to disconnect the hidden ribbon cables. Moving up higher, let's remove a couple standard and a few more tri-wing screws from the upper shielding panel before popping out the connector plates. Now over to the screen side where we need to remove the facial ID circuit. There will be 4 small Phillips screws holding it down. Upon lifting, you'll notice a small right-angle shield that needs to be pulled out. Before the entire mechanism can be carefully lifted off. If your screen doesn't come with its own backing, unscrew the 9 perimeter screws holding it in place before gently prying it off. To reinstall the new backing, the 2 lower tabs should be tucked in before lying it into place and screwing it back down. With the backing and perimeter screws in place, remove the adhesive backing and stick the ribbon cables into place. Let's turn our attention back to the facial ID. Unfortunately, this unit has been smashed in the accident, but I want to demonstrate to you the proper way to install it. With the new screen in, let's reconnect our ribbon cables. Do not forget to reinstall the metal shielding. Failure to do so will almost guarantee hardware damage. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and would appreciate more like it, please pop the like button and feel free to subscribe to my channel. At first, almost no battery, but shortly after charging, the Apple logo appears and it is completely functional again. With the lower 2 screws back in place, we'll contact the happy owner.
Perfect.
Thanks for watching.